Damn, why ain't you shaving my legs?
Like they took them down.
We made it. Y'all can't tell me this don't look good.
Hey, what's up?
What's this?
Wait for spring. It's cute. It's cute. I was actually shook, but it's not as pretty cute at my nail appointment.
Yeah, I really did not mean to get this much food.
This skirt from.
Hey y'all, we about to get ready and go on a date. I did not introduce the vlog at all. I'm so rude. Hey y'all, my name is Adrian Caprice. I focus on everything fitness, health, wellness, and lifestyle. We're dropping all the gems when it comes to health, wellness, getting snatched up, getting your body right, all of that. But today's video is just gonna be a vlog style video of a woman living in her late 20s. Like, I don't know what made me want to do a video like this, but I feel like there needs to be some sort of, I just think that everybody on the internet just be faking and acting like they got it all together. But I guess that's the point of the internet, is to fake it till you make it. But like realistic vlogs, realistic things that people in their late 20s do, you know. I will see y'all when we make it to the restaurant. And I did straighten my hair. I didn't really do a good job, but it is what it is. Where the Uber at, babe?
Be the different, be the different.
You're 22, tú atacando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Oh my God, you, baby. You're 22, tú atacando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Oh my God, you, baby. Say you like.
I'm about to cook some salmon with these shishito peppers. So we had these peppers at the restaurant that we went to yesterday. We always get them. So I'm gonna try to cook them. Hopefully it turns out good. All you need to do is char them on each side and then toss them in olive oil. But I'm gonna do butter with some minced garlic. Hopefully it turns out right. I really don't like cooking new things, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try it and see.
Really right. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with my lady. You got something that I'm interested in. Just maybe. You're 22, tú atacando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Oh my God, you, baby. You're 22.
And then even just reading these different layers of flow up there, they might think that you're kind of want to break or something.
Now we're coming full circle. This home has 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. Building feels public up here. You would really.
I just took them out the freezer. The camera is froze. No, it's not really. This is dark chocolate. And whenever I get a sweet tooth, I'm really trying to let this be my go-to instead of getting like cake, ice cream, whatever. Even though I did have a little bit of ice cream. Ooh, y'all, they won't come out. Most of my chocolate is stuck. Ooh, y'all, today was a long day. But let's get unready and let's get in this bed, y'all. But y'all know how people be doing like those things I learned in my 20s type of deal. So I want to give y'all some things that I learned in my early 20s that I want to pass on to all of my girls who are in their early 20s. Maybe you're in your late 20s, maybe in your 30s, who knows, but just things that I have learned along the way. So we're gonna take off our makeup with this Pond's cold cream. So I usually like to use the Clinique one. This one is really, really good. Listen to yourself, like your skincare. Like, most of the time when I come on this channel, I don't wear makeup at all. When I'm out in my regular life, I don't wear makeup at all. And I get so many people asking me how old I am. Put time and effort into your skincare. Put time and effort into how you eat, because that is going to in turn affect how you look when you get older. So save, and I don't want to say invest because I don't really invest my money. Well, I invest my money into myself, like having businesses and stuff like that. But like, save your money as much as you can. Like, if you have to move back in with your parents or get a roommate, do that. But you just gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with moving back in with your parents. I did it and I was able to save more money. A lot of situations that I have run into now, I'm glad that I saved, because I have money to save me and do certain things. So yeah, live your life. Like, whether you, I'm speaking specifically to, you know, my girls who have graduated from college and they feel like their life is boring, because I was there. But still continue to live your life. Like, go to work, make your money, but travel, you know. Even if you don't have a big group of friends to travel with, even if it's just you and your homegirl, like, go travel, see the world. Traveling made me see things from a different perspective, and it also allowed me to be more, traveling allowed me to be more appreciative for what I have. You know, living or being born in America, we don't understand how much of a privilege it is. Like, you know, we look at other people and you're like, oh, I want the next bag, or I want a bigger house. But it's like, you know, you have people who you have people that live in America that never even owned a house. And you own a house, but yet you want something bigger. Or, you know, you are able to afford the luxury of going to the doctor and doing all of these things. And there are people who don't have that, you know, in the world. So traveling has made me realize that a lot, and especially just getting older, for sure. Health is wealth. There are plenty of people who have millions of dollars and they don't have their health, and there's nothing that they could do about it. And the fact that you have yours is everything. So like I said before, take care of yourself, take care of your body, because once you start having one problem or something, you're gonna wish, you know, I have my gut health issues, but I wish I would have during a certain period of my life would have been a little bit more conscious of what I was eating and drinking. Like, it's okay. Now, I'm not telling you to just go break up with your boyfriend, but if you are single and you can't find anybody who meet your requirements, it is okay. I'm so happy that I spent a lot of my 20s, not all of my 20s, but a good deal of my 20s single, because I was able to kind of figure out what I wanted and what I liked. But I'm not gonna sit here and say I didn't date. I did date, and to kind of figure out what I liked. Because, you know, like once you date, you might realize like, oh, I like that he does this. I didn't even know that I wanted that. Or, you know, I like that type of characteristic in a man. I'm not telling you to go and sleep with people. I'm telling you to go on dates. And it's nothing wrong with going out with somebody who you necessarily like wouldn't take serious, because you never know what kind of friendship could come out of that, or what kind of networking opportunity can come out of that, you know. This is something that I have to continuously tell myself, is that it's never too late. Time is going to continue to go by regardless if you go to school or not. So if you've been thinking about it, why waste the time? It's never too late. Good morning, y'all. So I'm about to get ready to start my day. It's 10:26. I remember when I used to live in Nashville and by myself, but I had a roommate. Anyway, I used to live in Nashville and I used to get up and start my errands at like 8 a.m. But anyway, we're about to go get a quick breakfast, and then we're going to run our errands and go to the grocery store and stuff. This is what I'm wearing. This top is from my boutique, Caprice's Closet. I have on the same bag I had yesterday, my tip bar. Jeans are from H&M. And then I just have on these slides. Oh my God. My whatchamacallit is wrinkled.
How far is that place you going to?
It's like a 5-minute walk.
All of the man who are weed and smoke, you know, take a poor get up with fight.
Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them in on my sides and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in on the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking live and I got to know. Would I be your protector? You're up in every sector. Every man around them watch on your inspector. But you know let them threaten, I grill you with no lecture. But them for a drill, not them fuel injector. Cause them are infector, disease collector. None of them are going like them walk come wreck you. Don't know the parts where you got in your center. Oh, you know you not let them guide they affect you, yo, girl. Just give me the light and pass the joe.
Me and my boyfriend, we go out to eat a lot, but it is very important to take yourself on dates and just to be by yourself. Wait, this ain't the grocery store I usually go to. I don't want to go to this one. Oh shit, I'm here. We at this place called Zach the Baker. This is it. They didn't have a warmer. How y'all don't have a warmer? This is really good. I wonder if these taste like the other ones. We'll see. So this is my plate. My boyfriend got chicken. What's it? Chicken thigh? Yeah, chicken thigh. I'm sorry, I had a blank. He got chicken thigh. And then I just have salmon because we had some leftover salmon that I wanted to cook. And I'm having it with some pita bread. But this is how my meatballs turned out. I wish you would focus. And then I did chicken thighs and also chicken tenderloin. So they will last us about 4 days.
You gotta work it out. So you gotta work it out. How you doing, honey, baby? You know I don't ask for much, but for a girl spending time alone can be pretty rough. I get a knock on my door. You know it's yours for sure. Can't wait for the bedroom, so you just hit the floor.
Sing it, girl.
Is y'all alright? I don't know, but I know what's happened to me, girl. Is y'all alright?
Oh my god. Hey y'all, it's been so long and so much has happened. First of all, it's so pretty outside. Like, the view is just gorgeous today because the sun is shining. But let me sit down. I haven't picked up the camera in so long. Not so long, but like a day or so, because my days usually look alike. So to me, it's no need to vlog it when literally I do the same thing. Get up, go to the gym, go to work, come back, come home, study, whatever. So I meant to tell y'all this yesterday, but it was just so much going on, y'all. Facebook ended up getting hacked. My cousin texted me and was like, hey, somebody like changed your profile picture, they hacked you. And I'm like, what? And I tried to go on there and log in, and obviously it wouldn't let me log in. And Facebook made me like present a picture or whatever. I don't know. So then I'm like, okay, well, it's just Facebook. Then I get on Instagram, I try to log in, girl, my page is gone. It's gone. Like, I thought that if something like that would happen to me, I would have been more upset. But I actually wasn't upset. I was just like, it is what it is. You know? Like, thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I would love for you to become a part of the family. I would appreciate it so much if you became a part of the family. Like, whenever I see my subscriber count go up, it just makes me more excited. It's like, wow, these people actually want to like sit here and listen to me talk. Wow. I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.
I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow, cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Girl, them look in the hype and I got to know. Good idea, protector, you're up in every sector. Every man around them watch on your inspector, but you know let them treat you.